Friends, we are studying about different types of terms of trade. In previous videos, we have studied 5 different terms of trades. And in this video, we shall begin with the 6th one, that is real cost terms of trade. In real cost terms of trade, it is expressed as the utility terms of trade is the index of relative utility of imports and domestic commodities foregone to produce exports. Technically or in formula, it is written as TU is equal to TR into U, which is equal to PX upon PM into FX into RX into U. In this equation, this symbol stands for, that is TU is equal to utility terms of trade, TR is equal to real cost of terms of trade, PX is equal to index of export prices, PM is equal to index of import prices, FX is equal to export productivity, RX is equal to utility foregone to export. This is how the real cost terms of trades are calculated. After studying this, in next place we have 7th one, that is utility terms of trade. Utility terms of trade, it is the import and export goods are compared according to their utility. Real cost of both import and export is worked out. Real cost terms of trade is calculated by multiplying the single factorial terms of trade with index of the amount of disutility per unit of productive resources used in producing exports, which is expressed or written in the form of formula as TR is equal to TS into RX, which is equal to PX upon PM into FX into RX. In this equation, TR is equal to real cost terms of trade, TS is equal to single factorial terms of trade, PX is equal to index of exports prices, PM is equal to index of import prices, FX is equal to index of productivity of exports goods industries, RX is equal to sacrifice of utility inherent in exports. So this is how utility terms of trade are calculated. With this, we end our discussion on different types of terms of trade. Just before we conclude our discussion or lecture on terms of trade, let us have a brief information about the determinants of terms of trade. What are these determinants of terms of trade? Factors influencing terms of trade. There are many factors which influences terms of trade. Some of the important are reciprocal demand, change in factor endowment, change in technology, change in the taste, habit, behavior and income of the consumer, economic growth, tariffs and quotas, devaluation of currency and so on. There are many factors like geographical factors, social factors, religious factors, environmental factors, political factors which have influence on terms of trade. With this brief explanation, we end our video lecture on meaning, introduction and types of terms of trade. Thank you. With this, we end our discussion on Unit 1, that is international trade. Thank you once again.